Love the smell of florals? Even if you don't, I think you are going to love the aroma of Neroli Essential Oil. It's floral and citrus and it just smells so good. One way to use Neroli Essential Oil is in skin care. It's really soothing to the skin and can help soothe irritations. Just dilute it using our handy dilution chart before applying it to your skin. Its beautiful floral, citrusy aroma makes it a very calming oil. Put it in the diffuser to help you relax and soothe stressful emotions. Another way to use this oil is to support circulation. You can dilute it and massage it to certain areas to help support circulation. When diluted and applied to the skin, this oil is very soothing, so you can use it to help relax tense muscles for soothing relief. Let's talk about how Neroli Essential Oil works. Its two main chemical components are L-linalool and D-limonene. These chemicals make neroli a good cleaner that gives it that citrus floral aroma as well as its other benefits. Let's talk about how to use neroli safely. When using it on the skin, always dilute it first. It's unlikely to be irritating to the skin. It's safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. This oil is generally safe to use and diffuse around dogs, but use caution around cats as they can get irritated by that citrus smell. Thanks for watching. To learn more ways to use essential oil, subscribe to these videos.